Hey there, homeowners! Does your porcelain bathroom countertop have a few unsightly scratches? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share 5 super effective methods to help you restore that smooth, flawless finish. First up, let's talk about using a baking soda paste. It's non-abrasive and perfect for buffing out minor scratches. Just mix some baking soda with water to make a thick paste. Apply it to the scratch and gently rub it in with a soft cloth in a circular motion. Wipe it clean and voila! Your countertop should look much better. Next, we have Barkeeper's Friend. This trusted cleanser is a favorite for tackling surface imperfections. Apply a small amount to a damp cloth and gently work it into the scratch. Rinse it off, and you'll notice a significant improvement. Moving on to the Pumice Stone. This tool is fantastic for gently buffing out light scratches. Wet the stone in the scratched area, then lightly rub the stone over the scratch in a circular motion. Be sure to keep the surface wet to avoid any further damage. Rinse thoroughly once you're done. For deeper scratches, Porcelain Repair Kits are your go-to solution. These kits usually come with everything you need, including fillers and touch-up paint. Follow the instructions on the kit carefully, and you'll be amazed at how seamlessly you can repair those deeper scratches. And finally, for severe or widespread damage, Professional Refinishing is the way to go. Hiring a professional can ensure your countertop is restored to its original glory without any guesswork. Now, to maintain your countertop's beauty, make sure to clean it with non-abrasive products. Avoid dragging heavy objects across the surface and use protective mats whenever possible. These simple tips will keep your countertop looking flawless for years to come. So there you have it. 5 effective methods to fix scratches on your porcelain bathroom countertop. Give them a try and enjoy your beautiful scratch-free surface. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.